BRS reviews here with you. We're going to try to go through installing CANA Epic Vocals through FL Studio. So first off, you're going to want to take your zip file of Epic Vocals. Check out the sweet one here, which has all the plugins. And then you're going to want to extract the plugin of Epic Vocals into C, Program Files, Common Files, VST3. And from there, we can have FL Studio search for it. So we're going to extract that there. And I'm not using anything special here. It's just WinRAR. You can also use the VST2 plugin, but they're obsolete now. You can use it, but the VST3 is better. So there's the VST2. I could just go into here if you wanted to put it in there. So after that's done, okay, we're going to close that. We're going to close this. Annoying guy on the phone is going to show you some more stuff.
Alright, so now you got the plugin manager open. When you go to Options, File Settings, Manage Plugins, see that Plugins tab? Yeah, you're going to want to be in there. Okay, then when you're there, you can go to this manager here. Maybe we'll just be the annoying guy. Okay. Alright, so now that we're in here, they have you verify the plugins, but you don't have to. That's your choice, you know? Okay. This one has the program files, common files, VST3 already in the list. If it's not there, you're going to want to hit this folder with the plus here. And then you can direct it to this. Okay? If it's not on your computer, it's not in the common files, you can just make the directory and just put it there. You just do new folder, name it VST3, and just drop the Epic Vocals right in there. Okay? So once you do that, you can go to your little plugin database here. And if you right click on this, it'll do a fast scan. And it might find it in new. If it doesn't find it there, you should have it under install. I believe FL Studio scans directories when you start the program. And you'll find it in here. And once you find it, you can just add it to your project. And you should be able to use it. Just like that. I hope this helps. And if you can't figure it out, maybe I can download FL Studio and show you. This is just a quick overview of this. And maybe it'll help. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you in another video. Alright? Bye. Bye. Bye.
Monkey? You are done, monkey? Bye.